This is the Xiaomi 12T, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store, download the Caffeine app that looks exactly like so. Its exact name is Caffeine Keep the Screen On from Acquaint developer. So let me just quickly install it. Once the security scan is performed, I can launch the app, and all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set over here, and as long as the Caffeine app is active and running in the background, so do not close it, leave it active at the recent section, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.